The question says, what would be the output of the following Python code if the input was 17? Input is 17, right? Some students, when you writing the answers for these papers, they don't read the question properly and they don't see this one, input was 17, and they try to find the answer without looking at this number. Without inputting any number, we can't find the answer, right? Then input will be 17. It's a number, right? This number is an integer, int, the whole number. Then what happened when we input that integer into this n variable? N is a variable. Okay, it going to cast or change the data type. The original data type was integer. Need to change to float. Okay, what happened when integer is going to change for float? 17 will be 17.0. The value is same, but the data type is different. 17 වල තියෙන value එක වෙනස් වෙලා නැහැ. 17 17.0 කියන්නේ value එක ගත්තොත් එකයි. But two types. Completely two different numbers. 17 උයි 17.0 කියන්නේ වෙනස් numbers දෙකක් programming වල. But value is same. Okay. Right. Then n is 17.0. M is going to assign this calculation. We need to do this calculation. Okay, what is this calculation? You need to write it with numbers. N means 17.0. Double slash mean floor division or integer division. Then there's brackets. N means again 17.0. Percentage mark means modulus. I did arithmetic operators. 5. Okay. Then double star means exponentiation. Exponent, power 3. Okay. Write the expression with numbers. Then try to solve it. Right. Now, what is the order of these operators? Operators ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. Floor division තියෙනවා, modulus තියෙනවා, brackets තියෙනවා, exponentiation තියෙනවා. මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ? Which operator we are going to perform first? We will solve brackets. Brackets තියෙනවා මුලින්ම ඇතුලේ තියෙන brackets දෙක solve කරන්න. එන්න මෙන්න මේක. 17.0 modulus 5 means what is the answer? 2. Why? 5 times 3 is 15. Modulus means remainder. Okay. But why you gonna bear? Percentage mark in Python, it says remainder. Okay, that means 17 mod 5. Answer is 2. Why? We need to divide 17 by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Remains 2. Is what modulus means. The number you can get on top is the floor division or integer division. Okay. උඩට එන්න ළමයි integer division, පල්ලෙහා remainder එකට එන්න modulus. Lazy. Right. Then answer is 2. Write the rest as it is. 17.0. Put the bracket and exponentiation. Right. One set of brackets are solved. Okay. The brackets are ignored. Now you need to solve the outer brackets. What are brackets? When you solve in these brackets, you need to perform this operator. May operator perform floor division. 17.0 floor division 2. What is floor division? Again, you need to take only the integer part. When you divide 17 by 2, what is the answer will be? Answer will be 8 point something, right? Actual division answer will be 8 point something. We avoid the numbers after decimal point. We take only the whole number, integer number, 8. That's the answer. Okay, 8 will be the answer. 8 times 2 is 16, remains 1. We don't consider the remainder. Remainder is going to avoid. We take only this number. Right, now you can solve 3. 8 double star 3 means what? 8 to the power 3. Find it. What's the answer? 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 64 times 8 64 times 8 is 512, right? That's the answer.
Kasun Sameera, shaping your future with the best ICT experience.